Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to continue to install Go VSCode extension. This will help us to uh, have many features when developing Go, like code completion or auto format. But however, after installing Go, the VSCode extensions, we still have to install some Go tools, analysis tools that are missing. But I'm going to do that in the next video because it involves of accessing notification. So I want to separate between the installing Go extension and the install the necessary Go tools, while at the same video I'm going to show how to access the VS Code notification item. I think this is pretty important because myself had like the difficulties accessing the notification items and to press the install button which is within that items. So I think it will be better if I separate the video. So let's get started. Now I already opened my VS Code and I have my Go extension Go code open, Go file open. Now we are going to go to open the extensions view by typing Shift Control X.
Search extensions in Marketplace Editor has autocomplete multi-line blank. No extensions.
By default, after we press Shift Control X as an X-ray, the focus is on the search bar. So we just type Go
Go
to find the Go extension.
1267 extensions found in the Marketplace
It will automatically refresh the list with the result from the marketplace. Now, to focus on the extension list, press tab.
Go extensions list.
That is now press down arrow.
Go, 0.36.0, publisher Go team at Google, rich Go language support for Visual Studio Code 1 of 1267 level 1.
This is the first item. To go to the second item, press down arrow.
Go nightly, 2022.11.2218, publisher Go team at Google, rich Go language support for Visual Studio Code left paren, nightly right paren.
I have already covered how to navigate within the extension list in the VS Code in another video. So if you want to watch, if you think you need to have more information about that, you can watch the video. Now we are going to install the Go, which is the first item. Now press up arrow.
Go, 0.36.0, publisher Go team at Google, rich Go language support.
So that's the extension that we want to install with the name Go and published by Go team at Google. Now to install, we are going to focus on the button within that item. Press tab to focus on the button.
Toolbar, install button.
So the first one is install button. We've already focused on that button. Now press enter.
Installing extension Go started. An editor is now open with more details on this extension. Installing extension Go is completed. Error colon, the goals command is not available. Run go install -v golang.org/x/tools/goals at latest to install. Extension colon, go hello left bracket WSL colon, Ubuntu right bracket dash.
Press Control to stop NVDA from speaking. So the extension, the Go extension has been installed, and the focus of our screen reader NVDA is now on the main landmark, which is detail page that is automatically open after we install the Go extension. To show the title of the current page, press NVDA key plus T as in Tango.
Extension colon, go hello left bracket WSL colon, Ubuntu right bracket dash Visual Studio Code.
Okay, so yeah, it's already installed. But if you notice, there is error warning there's a warning about that that is caused by the Go tools that are required has not been installed. To check on the error, we can go to uh, to the to the footer. It's not a footer, but I suddenly I forgot the term, but it's like a footer by pressing F6. F6 to go to the next workbench.
Extension colon, go dash hello left bracket WSL colon, Ubuntu right bracket dash Visual Studio Code document, application, document, frame button scroll, document.
Oh yeah, before we press F6, we need to close this Go extension page. I don't know why, but it prevent me from going uh, to the footer. It's not a footer, but I forgot the term, but we will soon find out after we focus on that item. Now to close this Go detail page, press Ctrl W.
Main.go dash hello left bracket WSL colon, Ubuntu right bracket dash Visual.
Now press F6 to go to
Status bar.
status bar. It is called status bar. Now I'm going to press down arrow multiple times to read every item on the status bar. Status bar, by the way, is located at the bottom of the VS Code. Press down arrow.
Remote WSL colon, Ubuntu button.
Down arrow.
Go 1.19.3 warning button.
Down arrow.
No problems button.
Down arrow.
Screen reader optimized button.
Down arrow.
LN7, COL1 button.
Down arrow.
Tab size colon, 4 button.
Down arrow.
UTF-8 button.
Down arrow.
LF button. Go button.
Down arrow.
Alert analysis tools missing, not all Go tools are available on the GoPathy button.
So this is what I mean. There's an alert that some analysis tools are not available, not all installed in the Go path. So we're gonna, on the next video, we're going to install this while accessing the notification, because there are several items that is mentioned on the VS Code notification list. So basically, we already successfully installed the VS Code extension for Go, but to utilize that Go extension, we need Go tools installed, which we're gonna do on the next video. Okay.
Main landmark. Main.go
I'm
editor.
gonna see you again on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.